So here at the end we have an issue because I don't have enough room to put the block in and a hammer to push those two pieces together. So I use this other piece for the very thin edges. Oh my, I'm not good at taping this. There you can see it. You want to make sure that the edge is over top of the lip so it does not hurt the lip as you pound it in or slightly hammer it in, okay? So just slightly ever so tap it so you don't bust that lip here that you need in order to fit another slim piece in. All right. My daughter can hold it for me while I tap it so you guys can see. There you go. And I want to make sure I hold this piece down so it doesn't hop up and ruin the edge of it. So just ever so slightly tap it in. It'll take me longer just because this is not as quick as the tapping block is. So I lift it up and then gently move it over. And thank goodness I didn't bust the edge so I can still use it. All right. Oh, see, I did not put enough pressure on the top, but thank God I did not lose any scrapies there. All right. That really is a pain in the butt, but it'll do. All right, and this closes up nicely too.